It's 22 degrees in here. It's 5:30 in the morning. Got the wood stove on. It's feeling nice and toasty in here. Good morning, buddy. It's 44 degrees this morning outside. Inside with the wood stove on right here is 100 degrees. It's nice and warm right here. We have a little bit of ventilation up there just to get some fresh air in. In the back here, 70 degrees. And so yeah, it's really comfortable to be in here. I mean, it's 44 degrees outside and it's 70 degrees in here. This is like, it's so cool. Have it just completely closed up. I have all the vents closed. You can actually see the flames in there, so it's really hot. You know, I can get it hotter if I open up the vents. So I kind of like it on a cool burn. And then I collected all that wood this morning. Hudson is just like dying to go. He wants to go on his second walk, so we're gonna go pretty soon. Okay, buddy, you wanna go? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, go down. Let's go. Come on. You need some help? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, go ahead. Here. Go. Good boy. Hudson's enjoying the sunny weather. Yeah, this is a great time of year to visit this area. Here's my home. It's pretty epic. There's my dog. This is really cool. And the great thing is there's so many places like this around. So that's why it's so hard to leave these places sometimes, because it's so cool. And you have these great experiences here. So you want to stay, but you have to leave. Now I know this is here and I'll come back one day. Good boy, look at you! Look at you! Good boy! So beautiful out. So all this rock is rhyolite. I think this is the Bishop Tuff. Yeah, super popular rock for people to climb on. And the next few days are going to be cold. Lows in the 20s and highs in the 50s. So this is where we'll be. It's actually nice. I like being in areas like this when it's cold because there's plenty of wood around. So I brought a lot of firewood with me, but I like to keep it full. So I'll burn whatever I have and then I can collect some of this wood to take to the next camp. This looks like a really healthy forest. And it's been a long time since I've camped in an area like this, so I'm really, really happy, really excited, and so glad to be sharing it with you. So like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. And yeah, let's keep the dream going. This is an insane view. I could see Bishop from here. Yeah, this is sick. There's a big river over there. This place is epic. So it's been just a great day. This is it. Glistening in the sun. It's working really well. I've had it set up for days now and it's held up. It's been windy all day. I have it kind of on a low burn right now. So it's really smoky. It's not burning too hot. Just kind of have like a low burn. You just like put one of these in like every half hour. Hudson's here. He's got some natural light from the sun, so it was warm over here, and then this morning the sun shines through this window, so it kind of heats up the bed. And yeah, it's just been really pleasant to be in here today. This fan is good at circulating the heat. It's a nice day out, so I just have this completely open. So some fresh air, we have some ventilation. And on this side, it's 64 degrees. So it's a good temperature. Smoke's blowing around everywhere. So pretty much every day I try to clean this out. Use this metal brush and just kind of climb up there. Yeah, so that'll make the fire burn. That'll make the fire burn a lot better now. I've never had this much buildup in these pipes. I think it's because of the kink. There's 2 kinks in the pipe, so I think that's what just maybe cools things down a lot more. So by the time it gets out, the smoke's pretty cool, so there's a ton of buildup already. So if this is just straight, like I have it in the teepee tent, straight up, I think it just burns hotter. I'm gonna try to find like a branch and just kind of clean this out. But I think it's time for me to get one of those, like an actual pipe cleaner. Wow, there's still a lot of buildup. Yeah, these kinks in the pipe create more buildup here. Yeah, it's a messy job cleaning that out. It's about time for dinner. I have some edamame. All right, this is dinner. Salmon, some rice, and that is what it is. Drinking some water too. So I use this as kind of a place to eat, so. This looks really good. It's always the moment of truth when it comes to the rice. Let's see how this rice turned out. Pretty good. I'm always question myself, but it always comes out perfect. This is good. Rice is perfect. Try some of the salmon. This came out really good. Nice and seared at the bottom. This is a good meal. Delicious. So yeah, this is how it breaks down. It all fits in this bag. I'll put it all in there and then it goes under, kind of back in there. we are headed out of here. I really wanted to stay a little bit longer, but the weather is kind of telling me to leave. Somehow the trailer fell off the hitch. I have no idea how that happened, but I guess it wasn't on correctly. So, let's see if I can fix this. Kind of crazy. I've never had this happen before. Luckily the trailer is like light enough to pick up. We'll see. Jeez, that's crazy. I guess it just wasn't on or something. Weird. Okay, let's try this again. That's so weird how that happened. Everything else looks fine. Just somehow slipped off. This must not have closed right when I attached it, so. All right, let's try it again. Come on, buddy.